Yeah,
Nice.
excellent.
And
excellent.
this is gravy sauce.
Thank you very much.
I haven't had it for a long time.
Wow, this is nice. Oh yeah, I don't know.
So
what
we're
to
just gonna
expect.
pour some gravy over this. Look at that! Wow! Oh, smother it, smother it. Look at that! Ooh. My grandfather's restaurant used to serve it. I had it at the Ovaltine Cafe many years ago. So I'm really looking forward to this.
Been here before, but I haven't had the best condition. Look at this ox tongue. I haven't had this for so long. This is a nice gravy with the ox tongue and slice. Simple to make. One day I'm going to make this myself again.
I'm here at the Angel Cafe here in East Vancouver. They've been here for many years. So they serve some delicious food at really reasonable prices. So let's go inside and check it out. Short rib. Oh, short rib, okay. So you get the bacon wrap sausage with the short rib. There's some broccoli. Look at that, look at that. This is the daily soup with pork bones. It's got carrots. It's got that. Put them on my phone. Side. I'm not side. What time is it? Put it. Sang thôi mà. Thank you.
八黃花，
哦，旺黃花，旺黃。
蛙黃花，
So this is a Chinese soup. It's got that hua wong fa. So I don't know what it is in English, but nice soup served with your entrees here. Look at that. Look at that. Daily soup is included with the entrees. So this is a homemade old style Chinese village soup. So a lot of restaurants don't even serve soup with their entrees anymore. Lots of flavor in that soup. You gotta make sure you come down here. So this is the Malaysian style curry beef with the green peppers and onions. So this order is, they're famous for this order here. So that's one of their specialties. So you get the rice with the order. So curry goes really well with rice. So this is good. This is a good combination. So look at this curry beef brisket. Last time we had it a couple times. It was really tender. So let's check it out. Wow. That beef brisket just melts in your mouth. So much flavor.
Có ngọt kinh,
Try.
có lấy ngọt kinh. Thôi à, đậm đậm.
So very tender. So they somehow make this beef brisket really tender. So maybe slow cook it, but one of the most tender beef brisket we've ever had. So this is a real good bargain here. So you get the cold ice milk tea for $1 extra. So usually when you order, a lot of places it's about $5, $7. So for $1 you get a nice big glass of cold ice milk tea. Look at that, look at that. This is a seafood rice. You get a mussel sticking out here. I'm not talking about my arm muscle, but the mussel seafood here. And then you get the nice cream sauce. Seafood on rice, so you get the nice cream sauce with the seafood. And then you have other kind of seafood here. You get some veggies in there. So first time I tried it here. So seldom do you get the one of these baked seafood dishes with a mussel. So you get this right inside the order. That sauce with the mussel. Lots of flavor with the rice. Okay. This is the combination plate. You get the nice chicken breasts. You get some ox tongue. I had the ox tongue on another kind of order last time. And you get some spaghetti, a choice of spaghetti or rice, and some veggies. Here you got nice broccoli here. And this is smothered in nice gravy. Look at that, look at that. So this is the ox tongue. My grandfather's restaurants used to serve it. So a lot of the Caucasian customers, they really enjoy it until they find out what it is. So this ox tongue, they boil it for a few hours. It's very simply done, just sliced. So this restaurant, they serve it with a nice gravy.
this is the beef tongue. I'm going to make a Chinese dish. I'm going to show you how to cook it.
Today we're going to cook a whole beef tongue, which you can eat as is or put in different recipes. First, give the beef tongue a good rinse in cold water to get rid of some of the blood and impurities. In a large pot, bring some water to a boil. Put the whole beef tongue in the boiling water. Add a few pieces of sliced fresh ginger if you have any. Continue to blanch the whole beef tongue for about 10 to 15 minutes in the boiling water. Now I transferred my beef tongue into my Instapot. Peel a small onion and cut it in half. Add about 6 cloves of garlic. And last, add 2 or 3 bay leaves. Add enough water to cover your beef tongue. Put the lid on and make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to set the timer for the pressure cooker for 50 minutes. If you don't have an Instapot, just simmer your beef tongue in a regular pot at low to medium heat for 200 minutes, roughly 3 hours and 20 minutes. Once the pressure cooking is finished in the Instapot, let the beef tongue stay in the warming stage for about half an hour. Now it's time to finish the pressure release for the big reveal. Now it's time to peel off the skin of the beef tongue. So just let the beef tongue cool off a bit and peel off the white layer, which is the outer skin. It's easy to peel off the outer skin while the beef tongue is still warm. Once the skin is taken off the beef tongue, which is also known as ox tongue, which is also known as cow tongue, it's ready to be sliced or cut up into pieces.
No.
Đâm á.
No.
Đúng rồi, hai thứ cái ở mà.
Có kêu.
Quay có ô tả.
Này có ít phải thiếu quên cả.
Mơ.
Cái này có xóm lên là
cả bảy hiệu mẫu đó mà.
I like to serve the beef tongue in large slices. This way it looks most impressive. But you can cut the beef tongue into half slices. In my grandfather's restaurant, we used to serve the beef tongue Western style. So just a couple of slices, smothered with gravy and served with mashed potatoes. So for us, when we eat it Chinese style, we can eat it in slices as well. And then we just dip it in soy sauce. A popular way to serve the beef tongue in Hong Kong style cafes is to slice the beef tongue and then give the beef tongue a light grilling and serve with other meats.
Look at this sandwich. Look how thick that is. So you can have it in a sandwich. Just grill it on the grill. You can boil it, or I use an air fryer for a quick, little tasty sandwich. That's a meaty sandwich. Lots of flavor. I just put a little natural sea salt on it. You can put other condiments you like. I like it the way it is.
You can also use beef tongue in any stir-fried dish where, for example, you want to use beef tongue instead of beef. So I'll be doing some recipes using beef tongue in stir-fries. So just cut up the beef tongue into small chunks or small pieces and use in your favorite stir-fry dishes. Enjoy.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.